We are proud to announce that Draganfly and systems developer ACSL, which is Japan's largest drone manufacturer, have signed an exclusive agreement, and we are launching new technology integrations designed to expand the interoperable drone capabilities we have across Canada. As Canada's commercial drone market accelerates towards a projected $10 billion US per year market by 2030, this partnership brings together two trusted innovators to deliver more flexible, scalable, and mission-ready UAV solutions for enterprise and government operators. As the exclusive Canadian partner, Draganfly will bring the ACSL SOTEN platform to market. Now, this is a compact, secure by design, multi-mission drone built for rapid deployment and operational flexibility. Together, Draganfly and ACSL are addressing a growing need for interoperable drone ecosystems, empowering operators to build their programs tailored to quickly evolving mission requirements. Purpose-built in Japan, the ACSL SOTEN features swappable payload capabilities and secure communications architecture, making it ideal for professional operations across public safety, infrastructure, industrial inspection, and emergency response. The platform supports 4 interchangeable camera systems, including a 20-megapixel 1-inch sensor camera with a mechanical shutter, the SAMO dual thermal optical payload, a multispectral option, and an optical zoom camera. Operators will also benefit from the ACSL Titan Smart Controller, featuring a rugged IP54 rated design, customizable controls, and a bright 7-inch 1500 nit display engineered for demanding field environments. Through technical integrations, select Draganfly platforms, including the Apex and the Commander 3XL, will become compatible with SOTEN's swappable camera payloads and the ACSL Titan ground control station. This interoperability allows pilots to seamlessly operate across multiple platforms while leveraging the strengths of both Draganfly and ACSL technologies within a unified operating workflow. The addition of SOTEN complements Draganfly's existing portfolio, including the Apex, the Commander 3XL, and the heavy lift platforms, supporting payload capabilities ranging from 6.6 to over 100 pounds. Together, these systems provide customers with a highly adaptable suite of UAV solutions capable of supporting diverse mission profiles today, while remaining scalable for future operational demands. This milestone, it reflects a shared commitment to trusted manufacturing ecosystem collaboration and delivering real-world UAV technologies built for professional use. At Draganfly, we remain committed to building mission-ready drone solutions that increase operational capability, strengthen resilience, and help organizations prepare for challenges of tomorrow, saving time, money, and lives.